Sea arches, a blazing sun and a very hard paddle. We're searching out Hong Kong's best kayak spots right here on Chau. Well, we've saved the best till last. We're in episode 5 of our kayak adventures. George, where are we and where are we going?
So we're here now in Basalt Island, and then later on we're gonna discover some of the best islands in this area.
Just look at this. This is paradise. Let's get going.
Let's go!
Summer is here, and as the temperatures start to soar, we're seeking relief in the cool waters that surround Hong Kong. In this series, we pick 5 of the best places to rent and take out a kayak as we swap our walking boots for paddles and life jackets. As the temperatures soar up to 35 Celsius, we head down to Pak Lap village in Sai Kung for our final kayak adventure. The village is situated in the heart of the geopark, and renting a canoe for the day is the perfect way to explore it. Once out on the water, it was a fairly straightforward 2-kilometre paddle over to Wang, the first of our island stops. We took a break before staging our first sea arch paddle.
So this is the famous sea arch, and the one that I am about to go through for the second time today. I put George on the shore there. He's going to get the drone up and hopefully we're going to get some great footage. We're running out of time a little bit. We want to try and get over to another sea arch over here on Basalt Island. We're going to see if we're going to do that. We have to be back by 4 o'clock, so that's going to mean getting a move on once we've done this.
Iconic hexagonal rock columns of the geopark make a great backdrop to paddling around this area. On a calm day, you will also find coves with clear, crystal warm waters to stop and enjoy. But we were on a tight schedule as we paddled the open sea over to Basalt Island to find the Quan Do Sea Arch. The magnificent natural structure is named after Guan Yu's knife, which in turn gets its name from a famous Chinese military general with the same name. After queuing up to pass through the arch, we took a short break before starting the long kayak back to Pak Lap 1. The coastline along Basalt Island, Town Island and the Tung A Peninsula is spectacular, with lots of caves to explore if you have the time.
Okay, 3 things to mention before we finish this series. One is the kayak that you canoe in is very important. We found different levels of kayaks, but if you see here, we don't have seats in these, and we found them very uncomfortable for today's kayak. The second thing is bring lots of water. Today I've gone through about 3 litres. It's extremely hot out here, and you find that you're sucking it down really quickly. So don't get caught. There's nowhere to buy water or to get water once you get out. And lastly, wear sunscreen. Look at George. So that burnt back of his is a result of refusing to take my advice to wear sunscreen. So make sure you have plenty of sunscreen and a hat if possible to guard you against the burning sun. Right, well, I'm going to have to start kayaking again soon because George is literally taking us round in circles when I leave him in charge.
With the sun taking its toll, we missed our 4 PM deadline and begrudgingly paid the late fee. Throughout this series, we've found the staff at the kayak rentals to be extremely helpful, with lockers and showers provided as part of the rental fee. It's not the case here, so be prepared to pay extra on top of the rental fee.
Okay, that's the end of this episode. It's been quite an epic, quite an adventure we did in the end. About 15 kilometers. George?
It's exhausting, but it was a really rewarding experience kayaking underneath the sea cave.
Yeah, it was really, really special, and I'm glad I finally got to go through the sea arch. Now, we are making a special offer on our 10 best books if you go to our website at droneandphone.com. Otherwise, like and subscribe wherever you see this. My name is DJ.
I'm George.
This is Drone and Phone.